Hello there, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine. So, the agenda for today's movie is that we will learn how to remove those bullet points or the numbers from the unordered and the ordered list in the HTML tag. If it does not make sense right now, just bear with me, it will be just crystal clear. And after that, when we have learned that how we can remove that from the list, the bullet points, then we'll be learning to design something as simple as this. We'll be learning how to center our text and how to give a margin from there. So, without further ado, let's start with the first part of the movie. And let me just delete all of this and start fresh. So, I'll be naming this document as removing bullet points. Yes. Now, first of all, let me show you what do I mean by bullet points and what will happen if I remove those bullet points. So for that, let me create an unordered list of, let's say, 3 items, and let's call them as home, okay, contact us, okay, and about us. For those of you who are wondering that how I am able to write the shortcuts like this, I'm simply typing this. So let me know if you are not aware of this. Here I am using Emmet. Okay, now let me just save this and check out the live preview and see. This is what I get. So these are the bullet points. These circular discs that we are looking at right now are the bullet points. So what we have to do is, our task is to remove them. So that's pretty simple. For that, what I'll be doing is, I'll be moving to my CSS and I'll be saying, okay CSS, select li. So for every list item that I have written here, select it and do one thing, just change the list style type to none. I don't want any of the styling on my list, just change it to none. So I'll be saving it and I'll be checking the preview. And I think, okay, can anyone of you tell me why it is not working? Well, because I have not linked my CSS yet. So let's do that. Link CSS and let me write the address where my CSS file is located, and it is here. Control S and see, we have removed those bullet points. But does it work with the ordered list as well? Okay, let's check that out. So commenting this out, making an ordered list, and this time let's say we want 5 items. Cool. I can just simply name them 1. Okay, no. I can simply say, alright, item 1, item 2, or item 3, or item 4, or item 5. Okay, Control S. And see, this is working. Now if I just go ahead and comment out my CSS and then again I save it, see, the numbers are there. Now I just go again here and I can just decomment it and save it, and see, the numbers are gone. So what is this property doing? Actually, this is the magic of this property, list style type. It is removing every styling that is on my list and it is making it as none. But wait, this is doing it for every list item, right? So if I just okay, I think something is wrong. Yeah, if I just bring this guy back to life, this is something like this. but I want that I should have the bullet point. Okay, I want the numbers here, but I don't want the bullet points here. Okay, so for that what I can do is I can give a class to li where I can say remove. Okay, great, and I can just simply copy this, Control C, Control V and Control V. And here, instead of styling the list item, because it will be applicable on every list item, I will ask it to give a specific styling to dot remove and Control S. Control S, and see it works. So in this way, we can remove bullets or the numbers from any of the lists, like unordered list or the ordered list, and we can also customize it. That I want the numbers, I want list styling to these items, so I can keep them, and I do not want list styling to these items, so I can remove them. Right? So we have achieved our first goal. Now let's go and see. We have to design this. So before designing this thing, let's analyze it. What this page is asking us. Okay, let me capture it so that I can draw and tell you. So as we can see, this guy, if I talk about this guy, this seems to be a heading, right? So this seems to be a H1. And this guy till here, it seems to be a paragraph. And remember that there is a line break here in the paragraph, so we'll have to see that as well. This seems to me like an ordered list, but this can be ordered as well. So see, without the numbers or without the bullet points, we cannot simply differentiate between them. So okay, we just take this guy as an unordered list, and we have this guy as well. Let's take it the ordered list. And before all of this, we have this background color, so we have to put this background color as well. And then after typing all of this in HTML, we have to see how we can bring it to the center. So I hope the agenda is clear, and okay, let's get started. Let's go to brackets, and we'll be again doing it from scratch. And okay, here we have, simply let me name it as a page. So what was the first thing that was there? It was actually a H1. So what was there? How to remove bullet points from a list. Okay, cool. And the next thing was a paragraph. It says, today we learn to create a list without any styling. So let's get started. See, analyzing that page made it so easy for us to design it. Now we are just simply going and typing the things. li3, and I can say home, about, or I can say here contact. And here I have to take ordered list, 5 items, and I have to say item 1, I have to say item 2, item 3. I am typing them because they are just very few in number. You can also copy paste them, that's totally okay. So let's just save it and check out the live preview. It looks like this. Glad. Now first thing was a background color. So I need to apply a background color on body. So what I'll be doing, I'll be saying BGC, and I'll be saying, yeah, the color that I've used is this, pale turquoise. Great. And here I'll be giving it text align center. Okay, let's see what is the output It's not working, and I guess the problem is this. The problem is that I have not again linked my CSS file. Oh, I just forget to do it every time. So let's do it quickly. And also I'll be mentioning the same folder where it is. So in the CSS folder, styles.css. And let's see. Wow, great. Now I want to remove this styling from every list item. So I'll be saying list style type as none. Goal achieved? No. So remember there was this BR here. Yeah, right. Line break is BR. So let me give a BR here. Cool. And paragraph is a bit bigger. So I'll be giving font size as 2M. Okay. And let's check it out. Great. I'm missing an exclamation. Okay. And I guess we are just missing one thing. We are missing margin from the top, and that should be 100 pixels. Let's see, how does it look? Yeah, does it look somewhat like this guy? I guess the margin is a bit more. This is 150 pixels. So okay, I have lost it. Find it again. So see how simple it was to create a page like this, to center out the elements that were present, and by default they were right here. So if you liked the video and understood the concept, please hit a like button, share the video with those who want it, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day.